Just before the end of the year, we got this request by this charming old lady at Lar do Patriota in Luanda that really needed a kitchen renovation because her kitchen furniture is damaging as it is very, very old. So we went over there, took some pictures, and started making the feasibility studies, creating 3 different design ideas and showing her how long it's going to take, as well as the cost of the whole project. But here at first hand, we just came up with brainstorming ideas, how it's going to look like according to what she requires. This example here, this option doesn't have any kitchen island, but this option right here that you see has a kitchen island, which is something that she requested as well. So we just brainstorming how the different types of layouts and how she wants to use her space is going to work so that she can make an informed and better decision according to the cost and the time that it's also going to take. So if you are at Lar do Patriota and you require some renovation at your house, feel free to reach out. Just not this year anymore, but see you next year and Happy New Year.